intensity of a feeling. I'm sorry, I feel no attraction and none of this feeling.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Oge. If you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up? How are you? So this is a day in my life as a small business owner, and today I'm going to be focusing on the Scrunchie Shop NG. So we are going to be doing everything the Scrunchie Shop. We're going to be making new products. We are also going to be doing some product photography. We're also going to be doing some packaging. We're going to be doing some deliveries, everything that I do on the regular as it concerns my small business. So let's get started.
I ain't fall in love. I can't forget you, baby. Maybe I ain't fall in love. I can't forget you, baby. Maybe. Moonlight, when you shine, when you tie, I can't lie, I can't lie. Sunrise, when the time I arrive to see you found me. I've been searching on each other for my life. Cold, I never choose a lie. I would rather pay the price or have a say like, yeah, I mean anything I have. Calling me crazy, going off sweating, driving out my spotlight. Rolling with the thing when you try to be the only thing I know. How cold is, but you let go my soul so easy. I'm falling. Darkness breaks the quiet, come inside my heart's beating. Truth is it wasn't none. Cold, I was never found. Gun is a shooting gun. Kills, it's fucking over me. Truth is it wasn't none. Cold, I was never found. Gun is a shooting gun. Kills, it's a fucking over me. I'm down with a little bit of my fan. I'm down with a little bit of my fan. I'm down with a little bit of my fan. I'm down with a little bit of my fan. I'm down with a little bit of my fan. I'm lost with a little bit of my fan. I can sleep with a little bit of my fan. I'm not trying to be aggressive. Moonlight, when you shine, when you die, I can't lie, I can't lie. Sunrise, when the time I left to see you lost me. Shining brightly, lightning hit me on, crying, begging, wondering where to go. Shining brightly, lightning hit me on, crying, begging, wondering where to go. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Nowhere I go.
H on the beat。
不必再说关于你的美， Fragrance of love 弥漫在你周围。 未被风吹散，过去不敢触碰，怕你枯萎，怕坠落。I'm sorry, baby， 我绝不会让你丢线。我的心愿在风中摇曳 ，Falling in love。Give me one chance, I wanna take your hand one chance. Let me tell you about love. Falling in love. Give me one chance. I wanna take your hand one chance. Let me tell you about love. Falling in love. Falling in love. What's I? 每天都反复的猜，你有多爱，你有多爱。How deep is your love? You beside me. Don't worry, I got your lady. So baby, call on my name. So baby, call on my name. Give me one chance. I wanna take your hand one chance. Let me tell you about love. Falling in love. Give me one chance. I wanna take your hand one chance. Let me tell you about love. Falling in love, falling in love.
What do you want to see? What do you want to share with me? 这天气 fantastic， 空气里透着幸福气息。How sweet sweet breath， 你送的玫瑰都变得好。
Hey guys, what's up? I just made myself a smoothie. I should be on my way to send out the items that I just finished packing, but it's raining now, so I'm just going to wait for the rain to come down before I can go out. So yeah.
H on the beat.
不必再说关于你的美 Fragrance of love and 弥漫在你周围，不会被风吹散，过去不敢触碰，怕你枯萎，怕坠落。I'm sorry, baby， 我绝不会让你丢线。我的心愿在风中摇曳 ，Falling in love。Give me one chance, I wanna take your hand one chance. Let me tell you about love. Falling in love.
So I pretty much had a busy day, but I am all ready to just relax, watch some Netflix before sleep gets me. But yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and remember, God loves you. Remember, I love you. Stay blessed and stay safe. Good night. Bye.